One great trick every car owner should know is to find out if your car needs new tires, and it'll only cost you a penny. Take a penny and insert it into your tire's tread groove. Make sure that Abe Lincoln's head is upside down and facing towards you at all times. If you see half of his head or a quarter of his head, that means you have good tread. If you can see all of Honest Abe's head, that means your tread depth is less than the recommended 1/16 of an inch, meaning that it's time to head to the store and pick up a new set of tires. Are you having a hard time remembering which side your gas tank is on? If you're driving a new car, you may have a hard time remembering which side your gas tank is on. You shouldn't. That information is right on your dashboard. Just look at the fuel indicator and search for the little gas icon. Whichever side the arrow is pointing to is the side of your car that your tank is on.